Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 4. Amulyam Kamalam means the priceless lotus. Let us start our lessons with introduction. भारतदेशः श्रेष्ठानां तत्त्वचिन्तकानां देशः इति सर्वे जानन्ति. जानन्ति means to know. Everyone knows India as a land of great philosophic thinkers. तेषु अन्यतमः गौतम बुद्धः. One among them is Gautam the Buddha. मायादेव्याः शुद्धोधनस्य च पुत्रः सिद्धार्थः तपसा गौतमबुद्धः बभूव. Siddharth, as a son of Mayadevi and Shuddhodhan, he eventually became the Buddha through austere penance. बौद्धधर्मस्य प्रवर्तकः अयं शान्तिसन्देशं सर्वत्र प्रससार. प्रवर्तकः founder, बौद्धधर्म Buddhism. The founder of Buddhism, he propagated the message of peace everywhere. तस्य जीवने घटिता एषा घटना. This lesson means one of the situation happened in his life. Okay student, we know that Gautam Buddha is believed to have lived and taught mostly in the eastern part of the ancient India, sometime between the 6th and 4th century BCE. And we also know in Vaishnavas Hinduism, the Vaishnavis believe Gautam Buddha to be the 9th. Okay, it means Gautam Buddha is the 9th avatar of God Vishnu. Okay, understood? Now we start our lesson. The first paragraph with translation, Sandhi Vigraha and Lakaram. Our first para is very big, so I just divide it into the two part. Okay, first we read the first 5 lines. आसीत् सुदासो नाम कश्चित् दुद्यानपालः. सुदासो नाम सुदासः प्लस नाम कश्चित् दुद्यानपालः. कः प्लस चित् प्लस उद्यानपालः. Here the main sandhi is कश्चित् plus उद्यानपालः. आसीत् is a लंग लकार. तस्य तडागे कदाचित् सत्यपि शिशिरऋतावेकं पद्मं व्यकसत् व्योम्नीव बालसूर्यबिम्बं. सन्धिविग्रह सत्यपि सति प्लस अपि यणसन्धि. ऋतावेकं ऋतौ प्लस एकं. व्योम्नीव व्योम्नि ई as a rasva. व्योम्नि plus इव. Okay, व्यकसत as a लंग लकार. सो चिंतयत संधि सह प्लस अचिंतयत. अहो महिमा परमात्मनः. यदेतादृशे काले अतिशीते विभूषितो मे तडाग एतस्य सरसिज्जस्य विकासेन. संधि यदेतादृशे यत् प्लस एतादृशे. कालेतिशेते अवग्रह संधि. ओके, काले प्लस अतिशीते. देन विभूषितो मे. When we see the sandhi vigraha like in 2 words, then in first words ending with the O change into the visarga. So we write here vibhushitah plus me. Next sentence. एतत् सरसीजं विक्रीयाहं विपुलं धनं प्राप्नुयाम् इति. विक्रीयाहं संधि, विक्रीय य कंप्लीट प्लस अहम and प्राप्नुयाम verb in विधिलिंग. एवं सचिन्त्य सः तत् विक्रेतुं राजसद्मनः पुरतः स्थितः. स्थितः पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स मीन्स कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण. अत्रांतरे तेनैव अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान् सार्थवाहः समायातः. संधि अत्रांतरे, अत्र प्लस अंतरे, तेनैव तेन प्लस एव, कश्चित् यस, कः प्लस चित्, करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. सो वदत्, सः प्लस अवदत्. भद्र भगवान् सुगतः सम्प्रत्येतस्मिन् नगरे वसति. संधिलेखन. सम्प्रत्येतस्मिन् नगरे, सम्प्रति प्लस एतस्मिन् प्लस नगरे, वसति वर्ब इन लट् लकार. महात्मनः तस्य पूजार्थमिदं कमलमभ्यर्थये. तत् कियतामूल्येन ददासि. संधि पूजार्थमिदं, पूजार्थं प्लस इदं, कमलमभ्यर्थये, कमलं प्लस अभ्यर्थये. तत् कियता, तत् प्लस कियता and verb dadasi in lat lakar. Okay students, now we see the first part of this paragraph with translation. आसीत् सुदासः नाम कश्चित् उद्यानपालः. There was a certain gardener named सुदास. तस्य तडागे कदाचित् सति अपि शिशिरऋतौ एकं पद्मं व्यकसत्. व्योम्नि इव बालसूर्यबिम्बम्. व्यकसत् बेसिक रूट v plus कस means to bloom. व्योम्नि sky, इव like. बालसूर्यबिम्बम् सूर्य sun. बालसूर्य rising sun. बिम्बम means disk. Okay. Once, even though it was a winter season, there blossomed a lotus in his lake that was like the discs of the rising sun in the sky. Sah achintayat, he thought, Aho, Mahima Paramatmanah. Oh, the greatness of the Supreme Lord. Yat, that, एतादृशे काले अतिशीते विभूषितः मे तडागः एतस्य सरसिज्जस्य विकासेन. Even in this extreme cold, my lake is adorned by the blossoming of this lotus. एतत् सरसिजं विक्रीय अहं विपुलं धनं प्राप्नुयाम् इति. By selling this lotus, I shall obtain a lot of money. एवं संचित्य सः तत् विक्रेतुं राजसद्मनः पुरतः स्थितः. सचिन्त्य, इट्स अ लभ्यन्त अव्यय. ओके, पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित लभ्यन्त अव्यय. सचिन्त्य मीन्स थिंकिंग. विक्रेतुं also धातुसाधित अव्यय तुमंत अव्यय. हेत्वर्थक धातुसाधित तुमंत अव्यय. Got it? And it means for selling. राजसद्मन, royal palace. Translation. Thinking thus, he stood in front of the royal palace in order to sell it. Student, here we find out the word puratah as an indeclinable. Puratah means in front of. Puratah expects Shashti vibhakti of the word for in front of whom, or whose. Here, the word Rajasadmanah is a Shashti Vibhakti of the basic noun Rajasadman. It's a Ananta Napunsakalingi word. Okay, so Rajasadmanah Puratah means in front of royal palace. We use Shashti Vibhakti of the word which is with indeclinable Puratah. Clear? Next. अत्र अंतरे तेन एव अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान् सार्थवाहः समायातः. अध्वना means path, road, and श्रीमान rich, सार्थवाहः merchant. Translation. In the meanwhile, a certain rich merchant came by the same path. Sah avadat. He said, Bhadra, oh, good sir, Bhagwan Sugatah Samprati etasmin nagare vasati. Samprati, now, or presently. He said, oh good sir, presently Lord Sugat is residing in this city. Mahatmanah tasya pujartham idam kamalam abhyarthaye. Abhyarthaye in Latlakar, Uttam Purush, it means first person. Aham abhyarthaye, I request or I ask. And pujartham means to worship. Translation. In order to worship that great person, I ask for this lotus. Tat kiyata mulyena dadasi, mulya price. Kiyata, how many or what. So, at what price will you give it? Okay, student, here we stop our translation. Today, we have learned only the translation of the first part of the first paragraph. Okay, and remaining translation and question and answers we will learn in next video. Thank you.